What was your surgery on?
Here. Ah, stupid screen door.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, too bad it doesn't see through this.
Well, yeah, because it's too bright. You have to go over there.
Ginger! Oh, my voice. Scratchy. There's Daddy's grill. Hey, I'm the talking grill. Wait, where'd Skittles go? I hope I can record the Blue Jay this year. Oh no, Skittles went in somebody else's yard. Ginger, hi. Ginger. Uh-oh. Did she go in that little hole in there? She might be back here. Nope. No. Oh, birdie. She's not back here. Where'd Skittles go? No. The front door's open. Skittles. Talk to me, wherever you are. No. Where'd Skittles go? All the gates are opened. Sorry, birdies. I'm coming close. I have to close that gate. Come on, come on, come on. What's the Ashley? Skittles. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Skittles isn't even here.